In the outdoor hearth, a Dutch oven is more than a pot, it is a high-mass thermal chassis. To manage a consistent bake in an uncontained environment, you require a vessel with superior metallurgical integrity. At Wade Media Labs, we launched a material physics audit of the Lodge 6-quart deep camp oven. We analyzed its crystalline gray iron, thermal retention rates, and chassis stability. Lodge utilizes a proprietary gray iron cast. We audited the material for carbon flake distribution, which provides the high thermal conductivity and vibration dampening required for an enduring, multi-decade duty cycle. Volume is a function of thermal inertia. The 6-quart deep model offers increased vertical clearance, allowing for a larger internal air gap that buffers the food against the high-intensity radiation of top-placed coals. The camp design is a tripod-based chassis. Its 3-leg architecture provides a fixed point height for precise charcoal placement, ensuring optimized convective airflow beneath the primary heatsink. We audited the flange lid for coal retention and seal integrity. The deep rim design is engineered to prevent ash breach during lid lifting, maintaining a sterile internal environment throughout the bake. Our audit confirms, the Lodge 6-quart deep is the industrial standard. Its superior mass to volume ratio makes it a verified asset for the mobile camp kitchen and a pillar of the outdoor hearth. Don't just cook, manage the energy. In the workshop of the outdoors, cast iron is the only currency that survives the heat. See the full metallurgical logs in our 2026 cast iron rankings at outdoorcookgear.com. Look for the Lodge 6-quart audit.